All right, friends, to get started on our fog lamp assembly, we're going to get underneath the front of the bumper. Once you've done that, go ahead and locate the fog lamp assembly, and we're going to remove our wiring from it. Give that a little squeeze, draw it off, inspect it for any funny colors or damage, set it aside assuming it's good. Next, we're going to remove our mounting nuts. We've got one here, there, and one over there. There we are. I'm going to give this a little push, and then we'll pull it out through the outside of the bumper cover. There it is, friends. Now it's going to be time to install our brand new fog lamp assembly. It's always a good idea to go ahead and replace the bulb at the same time, so I've got a nice new one in there. I'm going to insert this from the outside, coming in. The hardest part is going to be lining up those little prongs. Once you get them, it should slide right in. Let's go ahead and start on those nuts. Now when you tighten these, you want to be very careful not to over tighten them because they're not actual nuts, but they do actually screw onto the plastic. So you just want to make sure they're snug, and then that should be good enough. Once you have all three mounting bolts tight, let's go ahead and reconnect this. Squeeze it up in there. That feels good. All right, so this looks great. At this point, you would want to, of course, test the fog lamp to make sure it works. You're also going to want to align it. This area right here is for the alignment. There's a little Phillips head screw right there. So once your headlamps are properly adjusted, it'll be time to adjust your fog lamps. You'll notice on the driver's side, the focal point is all the way at the bottom right now. I would like to bring it up so it meets up with approximately the bottom of the focal point of the headlight. Some fog lamps have an adjuster, others don't. The ones that do have an adjuster, you would just turn the adjustment to the left or to the right to adjust the beam up and down to where it needs to be. Now with your TRQ headlamps and fog lamps properly aligned, you can drive down the road safely.